Alright, hello everyone. What you're looking at here today is a revisit and a remake video of my 50/52-inch Modern Fan Company Cirrus short and brushed aluminum, manufactured sometime around June or July of 2017. I'm going to lean to July of 2017, because that's when the first year they rolled out the LED light kits for the Cirrus fans. Uses a 140 by 28mm GE stack motor. Now looking at the bottom end bell being vented on the side, it now makes me want to say it resembles more of a K55XL more than a Casablanca K55. And it has a 3-blade only metal flywheel, all aluminum. It is known as the blade ring flywheel due to the base of the flywheel being attached to the shaft on the motor and the ring attached to the flywheel. It is a single speed fan, and it's electrically reversible. I got this fan from Modern Fan Co. back in July of 2019 as a thank you gift. You'll see, if you want to hear more about the story, go watch the video of it without the light kit. This was the first and only video of this fan to be shown with a 350 light kit back in July of 2019, but since there's another video one in existence, this is no longer the only video of it to be shown with its direct spotlight kit. So I'll go ahead and show you the close-ups. It's got the included aluminum blade selected with the fan on both sides. It's a 6-inch dowel rod pre-installed onto the fan. You can see in the motor now what I mean by now resembling of a K55XL. This is why it's pretty hard to see the bottom end bell, but that's probably the reason why I'm thinking there's more resemblance of a K55XL more than a Casablanca K55. For this video, I will be demonstrating with two controls, 003 and the 002. So we'll start with the 002 first with the capacitor values 4711, and I'll go ahead and give it a demo. I'm going to start off with the light. It is using a 6.5 watt GU10 LED bulb that came with the fan. I was expecting for this to come with a GU10 50 watt halogen, but since Modern Fan Co. moved away from all their non-LED solutions, they supplied me the LED for this light kit, which is nice, which I thought it would come with a halogen because the label saying 350 GU10 halogen. Now I'll go ahead and demonstrate the fan, starting off with speed 4, which is a static low with the capacitor value number 4. This fan gives off a nice static low speed with the capacitor value number 4. Alright, that's about for the static low. Now here's low, speed number 3 with capacitor value number 7. I'm getting some air movement on low speed, considering the fact that low speed is quite a bit fast, since the blades are skinny. Alright, if that's about for speed 3, now you're speed 2. And that is going to be medium. This is capacitor value number 11. When you add up the capacitor value, 4 plus 7 equals 11. And it's still kicking off a good amount of air. Alright, that's about for medium. Now here's high. Speed number 1. For being a fan that uses a GE stack motor similar to a K55XL, well, it puts out tons of air on high speed. Now, for being a fan that actually has a CFM rating of 6,550 CFMs, I would say that the GE stack motor that's similar to a K55XL seems to be more powerful than the Emerson K55XL, because I've heard from other people saying that the K55XL does have vibration noises in the motor and slightly less powerful. I'd say that the motor that's in there, similar to a K55XL, is actually quite more powerful. Now I'll go ahead and shut it off. We'll do spin down. The light kit is not really as effective because this is a direct spotlight. The 350 light kit adds 2 inches to the fan. 351 adds 5 inches to the fan. That's a fluorescent light. And the 352, 353, 354 light kit adds 3 inches to the fan. Those were dome lights. The 350 was originally par 16, and then the 352 originally was an incandescent light kit, but Department of Energy banned beam-based incandescents, not sockets, in 2011. So the 350 went to GU10 halogen, and the 352 went to G9 halogen. So yeah. Now I will reverse the fan, but I'm not going to show myself taking the dome apart. So I'll do that off camera, and I'll give you a closer look at how the light is operated. Alright, so I'll go ahead and reverse it. So you have a 350 light dome. You take the 3 screws off of the dome right here, the said dome, and the screws that are holding the dome together. You do need a mini screwdriver, so you want to keep that if you got it when new. So to reverse the fan, you simply flip it to the left, and I'll show you how the light is operated. So the light kit is operated by an on-off light switch. So that turns the light on, and then it turns the lights off. Honestly, I feel like this is quite unnecessary to have an on-off light switch for the light, because the light is going to be on constantly. It should have been constant power instead of having an on-off light switch. Alright, now I'm back after I put the light dome back on, so let's go ahead and demo it on the aesthetic low once again. Alright, that's about for speed 4. Now here's speed 3. This is low speed. That's about for low. Here's medium. Alright, that's about for medium. Now here's high. Since we ban on the medium-based incandescent light bulbs, not sockets, on fans, they had the 353 like it introduced in 2008 as a GU24 CFL version of the 352 like it, and then as you can see in 2005 they removed the 351 fluorescent like it, which had a plain ring around the like it. The 352, 353, and the 354 have the vent on the side of the ring of the light kit. The 350 was discontinued as of January 1st, 2017, and then they reintroduced the 352 and the 353 like it as a 354 like it, which is the LED version. Now I'll go ahead and shut it off. We'll do spin down. When they had the 354 LED light kit, they had a medium-based light bulb in there that had been absent since the ban of medium-based incandescents, not sockets. So it later had a E26 medium-based LED bulb in there, and when the Cirrus GE motor models were discontinued on December 1st, 2018, they bit the dust, they went to DC, and they replaced the 354 light kit with a 355 light kit, which was supposed to match up with the bomb dome shape of the light kit. Alright, so that's it with the 002 control demo. Now I'll go ahead and put in the 003 remote. Alright, so here it is with the 003 remote demo. Here's the remote. We'll go ahead and demonstrate the fan, starting off with the light. Alright, now I'll go ahead and demonstrate the fan, starting off with low. Weird. Alright, that's about for low. Now here's medium. Alright, that's about for medium. Now here's high. Now go ahead, shut it off, and we'll do spin down. I do wish modern fan kits still supported the older light kits, say 354 light kit. I really want to try that on, because I have a 350 light kit. I just hope to find one of those ambient light kits to try it on this fan, but I'm happy with the direct spotlight kit, even though it doesn't really light up that well on a ceiling. But it is what it is. Alright, now I'll go ahead and reverse it off camera. I'll take the dome off camera and I'll reverse it on video. Alright, I'm back. So now we'll go ahead and demonstrate it again on reverse, starting off with low. That's about for low. Now here's medium. Alright, that's about for medium. Now here's high. Now I'll go ahead and shut it off. We'll do spin down. My only reasoning of why I think this motor inside is actually more of a resemblance to a KPT5XL is because the vent pattern on the bottom is exactly similar to the Emerson KPT5XL, and the side venting is also similar to a KPT5XL. So I didn't realize that it uses the KPT5XL type motor, so that's quite interesting. Could be said with some Quorum and Savoy House fans also, but I digress. But anyways, that's about it with the 50/52 inch Modern Fan Company Cirrus short. Again, back for a remake with a 350 light kit. Once again, I would like to thank Modern Fan Company for sending me this fan back in July of 2019, and I still love it and I still enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.